In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your platform's new dialer. We'll explore both the interface and its various features. The green dialer button is visible from every view of your platform. Let's click it now. This opens a user-friendly interface with the standard dialer features. The first field is the phone number you want to call. You can copy and paste a number here, or use your keyboard's numeric keys to enter it manually. In addition, you can also click the buttons of the number pad here to enter a phone number with your mouse. In the Call From field, you can select which phone number you'd like to make the call from. If you have multiple numbers set up in your platform, they'll appear in the drop-down list. And when you're ready to dial a number, click the green phone button. At the bottom of the dialer, you have icons for your contacts and dial views. Our dial view is currently open. But let's switch to the Contacts view. Click Contacts now. As you can see, the phone number field has been replaced by a search box and a list of your most recently contacted numbers. You can use the search box to find a particular contact by their name or phone number. Click the dial icon to go back to your dialer view. Now I'm going to show you the features you have with your new dialer. Let's enter a dummy number and click the dial button. This changes the view. Now we have a status field as well as a few options. Our call currently has a dialing status. But once it connects, the status will switch to a timer that tracks your call duration. See the small arrow in the top right? If you click here during a call, then the dialer will be collapsed into your top menu, leaving you free to use other platform features while on the call. Let's click the drop-down button to restore the full dialer view. And now let's say that you're on a call with a client and need to transfer them to a coworker. You can click Hold to put the client on hold. And then, click either the blind transfer or warm transfer option. When you click blind transfer, you'll send the client's call directly to your colleague. However, there is a potential problem with this approach. If your colleague is on another call or not available, then the client's call will be terminated. Now let's explore why a warm transfer is a better option. When you click warm transfer, you'll first find your colleague's number by using the search function or enter it manually. And once it's been added, the call and hold button to dial your colleague's number is enabled. Let's click it now. When the call is connected, you can explain the situation to your colleague before transferring the call. This obviously prevents the blind transfer problem of the call being terminated, and also prepares your colleague to deal with the issue. Notice that there are now two tabs at the top right of the dialer. The green one on top is our first call with our client, which is currently on hold. And the orange one below is our call in progress to our colleague. You can easily switch between calls by clicking the tab of the call you want. In our example, we've explained the situation to our colleague and we're ready to connect the call. Switch back to the client by clicking the green Call tab and then tell them that you're going to patch the call through to your colleague. And then to connect the two calls, simply click Patch Call. Now the client and your colleague can continue the conversation privately and you can click the red button to leave the call. Once the call is over, click Done to return to your normal dialer view. This is the end of our dialer video. Your new dialer has a better interface and more features, making it an integral part of your platform.